how to send money from USA to Malaysia. Now, if you use the link below, you will benefit from your first or from zero fees for your transfer up to £500. Now, first of all, what you need to do, open your Wise account, and now here, select your destination that you want to transfer money from. In this case, it will be USA. And now select your recipient destination. In this case, it will be Malaysia. Now type it in the search bar, as you can see. Now, after that, what you need to do, you can type here how much you want to transfer. In this case, it will be, or for example, $1,000 or any amount that you want to transfer. And now tap on send. And now what you need to do here, as you can see, you can check your transfer that you, the money that you want to transfer. And now what you need to do after that, just select or add recipient. Now tap on back details. Now tap on someone else. And as you can see, you need their full name, IFSC code, account number, and their country, the city, a recipient address, and postcode. And after that, click on continue. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Malaysia. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.